Now, we will consider some examples under Module 1.3, which is descriptive and inferential statistics. For each of the following, state whether it is descriptive or inferential statistics. From what we have studied so far, a descriptive statistics is a statistics that describes the data collected and makes no generalization beyond the data. Unlike descriptive statistics, inferential statistics provide the tools for generalizing beyond the data collected. So now let's look at some examples. For the first question, data was collected on the number of hours it took 30 students to finish reading a book. It was noted that the average is 7 hours. For this question, we can establish the fact that there is no generalization. This is because the average hour is solely based on the 30 students. So then, this is an example of a descriptive statistics. Looking at the second example, data was collected on the number of hours it took 30 students to finish reading a book. It was noted that the average is 7 hours. This implies that the average hour is 7 for any student. In this example, we can establish the fact that there is a generalization. This is because we are generalizing the average hour for any student. So then, this is an example of inferential statistics. Okay. To the third example, to determine the proportion of Democrats in the state, a survey was collected by a researcher using Colorado State, and he found that 65% are Democrats. In this case, the researcher took Colorado State as a sample, and based on that, established that there is 65% Democrat. So we can go ahead and say that there is a generalization and therefore it is an example of inferential statistics. Why is it so? This is because the researcher took Colorado State as a sample, then based on that established that there are 65% of Democrats in the states. Now for the last example, out of a sample of 50 kids, the average height was 3 feet 5 inches. So in this example, we can say there is no generalization. And therefore, it is an example of a descriptive statistics. We took a sample of 50 kids and we found the average height, the mean height, to be 3.5 feet. We did not go beyond the 50 kids. So therefore, this is an example of a descriptive statistics. I hope this helps you with your studies. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.